Earl from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So my parents are not Muslim and I'm having a family issue that I'm not sure what to do. So my mom has been helping at my brother's takeaway for a long time now because they have no staff. My dad didn't have an issue, but today he believes that she's being harmed and prevented from leaving and says that he'll go and bring her home himself and he'll go fight. But he did say this in anger and I'm worried this will cause further conflict and will definitely lead to more arguments at home. If he does go, my mom is ready at a breaking point. She did tell me that she's not being harmed and does plan to return home in around 2 weeks once new staff arrives, but she can't leave right now as there is no staff. And from hearing both sides, I believe the main reason of him wanting to go is that he had the argument with my brother and he's angry at him and doesn't see him as a good son and doesn't understand why my mom continues to help him. But I don't know this for 100%. But I do know my dad's sister has influence with my dad and is already involved in the situation. So would I be allowed to tell my dad to ask her sister-in-law to speak to him to try de-escalate the situation by allowing her to come home in 2 weeks? Or would this be considered assisting in sin as she's working at a shop that sells haram food?
Your mother is assisting her son in doing what?
So they're at a takeaway shop that sells like non-halal chicken and pork and stuff.
And both of your parents are non-Muslims?
Yes.
So what do you have to do in this situation? Yani, whether she helps him or not, this is between her and her husband. So for you, both of them, both of your parents are your right and left eye. You can't prefer one over the other. Be dutiful to both of them. Don't intervene or take sides because the other side would consider this an act of hostility and being undutiful. Just try to be diplomatic, try to say good things about the other spouse to his or her spouse, but do not take sides and do not intervene and stay out of it. Suleimani from Germany.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Correct me if I'm wrong, Sheikh. If I'm not mistaken, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if two Muslims fight, they are committing kufr. And what is meant by it is the minor kufr. But I was confused, for example, if I am fighting with my brother, like siblings fight, for example, or fighting out of fun, would be this considered like the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, or what is meant by that?
The hadith you're referring to is the fighting of Muslims is kufr. And the other hadith is when two Muslims meet with their swords, then the killer is in hell, or both of them are in hell. So the companion said, okay, the killer is in hell, we know he is the assailant, but what about the one who was murdered? The Prophet said, he was keen on killing his brother. So you mixed up both hadiths. The fighting in the hadith means the intention to kill one another, not to quarrel, not to argue, not to dispute over petty things or small things or big things in the house, which happens between siblings and between family members. No, this is different than the hadith you referred to.